Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra. Thank you for joining me today. I wanted to show you it's not a subscription. It's just an order I placed from Soto Studios, and it is the Love Story kit. So I got it the other day and I figured I would film it for you. I have already taken a sneak peek and I have a couple of things I have to say. So let's open this up. So you get a freebie. And I literally took everything out. So I already opened the paper. I got Christmas wrap paper. This is what it came wrapped in. I like the paper actually. If I hadn't been ripped, I probably still could make a dashboard from this. It is quite pretty actually. It's tissue paper with these Christmas trees. I don't know if it's worth saving though, because you'd only get like 3 Christmas trees on a dashboard. So everything that you get comes in this bag. So like I had already kind of taken a look and peeked in there, but this is what the Love Story kit comes in. Okay, it says Love Story journal pack. So they have these pre-packed. And then I got this little freebie. So what you get in here, let's take a look. It looks like a couple of die cuts. Okay, so this little paper says thank you. It's like a little plastic envelope. And you get these like paper samples, it looks like. I don't know if they're like, I think it's just paper. So you get, I'm pretty sure that's just one. So this one actually feels a little bit rougher, like an actual sweater. These are a little bit smoother, but they're just like these tiny little samplers. And then you get these die cuts. So again, this is just a freebie here. So I've got 2 of these ones. They're actually kind of pretty. And then I've got this one with the girl with the wolf and this little like old-fashioned teacup. And then a couple of these spring flowered ones. So this is, I think it's an iris, I want to say, or maybe it's something different. I don't know. You guys can let me know. There's a purple flower and then this girl in a dress. Okay. So that was the freebie. And then the actual kit, you have a series of items. So the first thing that drew my attention, first of all, the bag is cute. I mean, this bag would probably fit a lot of my stickers. So I might use this for my pouch for February. I don't know. I might put my stuff in there. Right now I'm using my Jane's Agenda train case, but this is really cute. So the first thing I noticed was my little clips. So in the video that they showcase their item, the love is not backwards. So it looks like, I don't know what happened here because the back side of it is clear, but they put this on backwards. It says love, but it's literally backwards. It's still usable. It's kind of weird that that's backwards. So that's the first thing that I caught. And that was weird. So here is the second item. You have papers. So it's labeled papers. The way it's packaged is super cute. It's got this twine. I'm just going to cut it because I don't have to keep that on there. So the only thing is these papers are like pretty small. Like they're a small piece of paper. So it's not like I can use them as a dashboard. Honestly, I don't know what I would use them for, but they're cute. I could definitely use them in a Cricut or something, but like they're not even going to cover up a whole page. So I might give them to my daughter. I don't know. But they're pretty. So you've got all different types. You've got hearts. You've got flowers. A lot of floral in here. I love this one. Yeah, I could see like cutting this out into a heart shape. I think that would be kind of pretty. And then putting that in your planner for Valentine's. So that might be something. But they've got like the florals and they've got the hearts. You could even cut these hearts out. I think those are cute. These are cute. Lots of great patterns. If they were a bit bigger, you could probably use them as dashboards. Okay, so those, you actually get quite a few of those, by the way. And the paper it's not flimsy either. It's not cardstock, but it's heavier than like your normal paper. Okay, so then you have this, it says papers here, but I think this is the envelopes and the cards. So it's kind of a neat idea because you get some paper. Let's see here. I'm not sure how much you get though. So you've got letter paper, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes. So honestly, I think that it would make sense to have a bit more paper, because when I write a letter to somebody, it's usually about 3 sheets, so maybe 4. But you can still use these for something else, but you would have to probably place an address label here, because it would be hard to see unless you were to use a really dark pen. We're going to go through this one first, because this is where I noticed another error. This one's actually kind of funny. So these are stickers, and I was just kind of like noticing the difference. So these ones are very much wedding themed, which I thought that was funny, because I'm like, there's a lot of stickers here. There's like 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets that are all literally wedding themed. Okay. And when I'm like, oh, okay, like maybe it could be like a bit Valentine's Day themed. No, they're strictly wedding. So it says accessory shopping, love in the air. I said yes. Book the DJ, suit fitting, wedding countdown. And a lot of these, like, you probably could get away with using them on a Valentine's Day spread, but the whole thing is wedding. So I didn't know that they were wedding. I didn't look that closely. So this one says, I do, guest book, happy wife, happy life, ring shopping, bachelor party. So yeah, there's a lot of those, and they're smaller. They are on the small side. So if you do like that, or if you have a smaller planner, they're not a bad thing. There's a plane and a globe. I mean, you could use that for if you were going on a trip somewhere, a palm tree and a camera. So I mean, you could multitask using these, book flights, but it is meant for a vacation, like a honeymoon vacation. And then this is where the error was. So it was supposed to be soulmate, but the O and the U are backwards. So I was like, oh no, like that's not good. But and then the next page, again, a lot more wedding stickers. I love this one though. I love anything with a punch buggy in it. That's adorable. And then the second last one here, you've got a whole bunch of these stickers. So checklist, to do, meeting, inspired, do it, and important. So those could definitely be used in your planner. And then the last page here, so you've got this couple dancing with the wedding dress, and then a little house. So I mean, some of them can be repurposed, but I didn't know it was like such a wedding day themed like pack of stickers. I thought maybe it would be like a mix. Then you've got the die cuts. So now you're going to notice here a huge difference between the die cuts, the stickers, and these are PET stickers. So I'm going to keep this little package here. These die cuts are very dark, the same as the PET stickers, but these are adorable. So they're very red themed, and I don't really have any red washi or stickers. Like this is absolutely adorable. I love that. You've got this tree. This is also a beautiful, it's so cute. I'm totally going to use these on my spreads. The balloon hearts, the chocolates or the cake. And then you've got this little banner with balloons, this pink typewriter, XOXO, I love that. A box of chocolates, a jar of candies, another like lock and key, a cup of hot chocolate with, it's all pink, 2 pairs of wine glasses, a little heart. Some of these range in size too. So some of them are bigger and some of them are smaller. A picnic basket set up, a box of presents or chocolate maybe, a little teddy bear and a heart, a pink butterfly with hearts on it. It looks like waffles with some strawberries, a journal, a box of cupcakes, a present with a rose, and then a bouquet of flowers. So these die cuts are beautiful. As for the thickness, they're not, I'd have to say they're not cardboard. They're definitely like just thicker cardstock. They're not even cardstock. It's just thicker paper. They're almost like a vinyl sticker, but they're still like, if you were to fold them, they would still fold. Okay, and then the last sheet of stickers here is the PET stickers. So these ones are very much like the die cuts. So they've actually got very similar like theme. So you've got the typewriter, a letter, a rocking chair, the balloons, a journal. And then you've got this strip of washi strips, which I think is very cool because you don't have washi in this kit. You just have the strips. And then you've got these ones here. So again, very similar. The little locket. But there are some new ones. You have the bottle of champagne, the donut, the little lollipop, the cupid, which is so cute, keeping the bow, and then the camera. And then these two. So this is definitely more pink, which I really like. And again, different. Like, aren't these so cute? And the little punch buggy, the birds. And then the last sheet, they're very dark, which I still love. Like, all of these are gorgeous. So I can't attest to the quality yet, but they are quite thick. Like, they're not as thin as the Cocoa Daisy stickers, but like, given the two errors, so like on the clip and on the wedding stickers here, I would have to say that the die cuts and the PET stickers more than make up for that. I think that this is also really good value for your money. It's relatively cheap, and shipping is also super cheap. It was like $8 to send to me in Canada, and it did come from China. Okay, so that is it for this kit. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have an affiliate link down below. Just remember that I do make a small amount of commission if you purchase something from that link. But I just wanted to show you guys the items that I got. I didn't get like tons of products, but from what this is for, it's going to be for Valentine's week, and I'm very excited to dive in and use it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.